You got hand sanitizer off your hands yet?
It smells like coconut.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it smells like coconut.
So the hand sanitizer smells like coconut. Nice. It does smell good.
Yeah, because the green thing smells like coconut. Coconut. I smelled it and it tastes like, and it smells like coconut.
Oh, yeah?
I smelled it and it tastes like, and it smells like coconut. I smelled it and it smells like coconut.
Coconut. I like coconut.
Me too.
Yeah.
But sometimes I don't eat coconut. Because sometimes I don't like to eat coconut. When mommy cooks good food. Sometimes I don't want to eat food when I'm going to night-night.
Okay. Fair enough.
I'm okay.
That's good.
Dad, can I relax with you till the doctor comes?
You want to relax with me till the doctor comes?
Yeah, but it's too dry down.
Alright, I'll come get you. Alright.
Look it.
You did it.